Good morning, students. Welcome back. Welcome back to the chapter of Boolean algebra. And today's session is Boolean algebra, part number 34. And we have been discussing Boolean algebra, and we have almost reached towards the end of this chapter. Only few topics has been left for the discussion. As you all know, this chapter has become one of the important chapter because the weightage has now been increased. So the weightage of this chapter has been increased. Because of that, it is more important for us to learn this chapter in detail, and also we will work it out. We'll sort some of the maps problems in today's class. So the highlights of this session is, as you all know, we are trying to simplify, or we are trying to minimize the Boolean expression using K-map. So we are using map methods to do that. And also we are using POS, that is max term expressions. So let's get started and let's take one example. So there is a question given which says that, so as you can see here, the question is, so as you can see here, find the minimum POS expression. So we have to find the POS expression, and the question here given is y of a comma b comma c comma d, and then they have given pi. If pi is given, we have to understand that it is POS, and if sigma is given, it means that we need to use the SOP expression. So the terms they have given 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14 and 15. So we need to minimize this. So let's see how we can do this. For that, first we will have to draw a map. So as you all know that there are terms. So as you all know that the terms used here are more than 7. That means G said 4 variable, and also they have specified the 4 variables as A, B, C, D. So we can take this as A plus B, it is A plus B bar, and then this is A bar plus B bar, and this is A bar plus B, and this will be C plus D. So this will be C plus D bar, and this will be C bar plus D bar, and this will be C bar plus D. Now as they have mentioned, so as you can see they have mentioned 0, 1, 3, 5. So 0, as you can see here, so we will mark 0 and 1. So as you can see here, 1, we will mark 1, 3, so we will mark 0 here, 5, so this is the max term 5, we will put 0, 6, 7, so 6 we will put 0, 7 we will put one more 0, 10, 14, 15. So you can find 10, which is here, 14 and 15. So now we can see we have marked all zeros in the given terms. As you can see here, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 15 has been marked. 0, 1, 3. So as we have marked 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14 and 15. In the rest of the boxes we have to put 1. So rest all boxes we will put 1. The next step is we need to group. As this is a max term, we need to group zeros. If it is a min term, we need to group ones. But here it is a max term. As you can see here, there is pi. So you can see here there is pi. Therefore, it is a max term. We need to group zeros. First we will see, are there any 8s which can be grouped? 8s idea Norana. We will not be able to group 8s because here there is 1 and here there is 1. So next possibility is we need to check for quads. Quads means 4. Quads means 4 ones, 4 zeros together. So now, as we can see here, we can make these 4 as one quad, and then we can make these 4 as another quad, and now there are 2 zeros left. We can pair this with this, and we can pair 0 with 4. So let's do the marking now. Let's mark this first. So let this be pair 1, and let this be quad 1, and let this be quad 2, and let this be pair 2. So now we have marked, so 0 1 as one pair 1, and quad 1 is 1 3 5 7, and the quad 2 is 6 7 14 15, and pair 2 is 10 and 14. Let's write the expression now, and let's minimize this. So let's do the marking again so that we will find easy to, as you can see here. So we'll just mark this. So let's do the grouping here. So let's mark this as pair 1, and let this be quad 1, and let this be quad 2, and let this be pair 2. So let's write the expression. Let's take pair 1. So pair 1 is M0 and M1. So M0 is A plus B, C plus D. So A plus B plus C plus D, as it is product of sum. So as it is product of sum, so here we will be using dot. So this M0 and it is M1. M1 is A plus B, A plus B, C plus D bar. So it is A plus B plus C plus D bar. So let's see the so let's do the write the expression and let's minimize. Pair 1 is M0 and with M1, which is A plus B plus C plus D. So ANDed with A plus, can see here, A plus B, C plus D bar is 1. So A plus B, C plus D bar. C plus D bar. So let's write the common terms in both. As you can see, A ಎರಡು term ಇದೆ, B is also here, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, plus C ಇದೆ, D, here it is D, here it is D bar. So we can take only A, B, C is the common terms. So we can take A plus B plus C is the common expression what we get from M0 and M1. Similarly, let us take pair 2. So pair 2 is pair 2 is M10 and M14, M10 ANDed with M14. Let's write the expression for the same, and the expression for M10 is A bar plus B, A bar plus B plus, so as you can see here, A bar 10, A bar plus B, same row if you take, and C bar plus D, C bar plus D ANDed with M14 is M14 is A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. That is 10 no A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. That is A bar B plus C bar plus D, and 14 is A bar B bar. So A bar B bar C bar and D. Let's write the common terms in both the expressions. As you can see here, A bar is common. B bar will not be able to take because here we have B and here it is B bar. So B bar is not common. C bar and C bar. We have both. C bar is common and D is common. So we can take A bar. So let's take the common terms, that is A bar is common, B bar illa, C bar and D is common. So it is A bar A bar, C bar and D. So now let's take the next quad. Now let's take the next one, that is quad 1. So quad 1 is M1, M3, M5, M7. M1, M3, M5 and M7. So let's write the expression for the same. So it is A plus A plus B plus so A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus D. So let's mark the bars here. So this quad 1 is M1, that is A plus B plus C plus D bar Then we have 3. 3 is A plus B, C bar plus D bar. And then we have 5, that is A plus B bar plus C plus D bar. 7 is A plus B bar, C bar plus D bar. Now let us see the common terms in all. A ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 4 terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ A and A. So A is common. So A is common plus here we have B bar. So B is not common and B bar is also not common. C and C bar, that is also not common. D bar, D bar, D bar and D bar. So we can say that D bar is common. So D bar is common. Now let's take quad 2. Quad 2 is M6, M7, M6 ANDed with M7, ANDed with M14, ANDed with M15. So let us write the expression for the same. So A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus C plus D ANDed with A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, now let's mark the, now let us mark the bars here. M6. M6 is A plus B bar, C bar plus D. A plus B bar, so A plus B bar and C bar plus D. Then 7. 7 is A B bar plus C bar plus D bar. B bar plus C bar plus D bar. So then we have 14. 14 is A bar B bar plus C bar plus D. A bar B bar C bar plus D. And 15 is A bar B bar C bar D bar. A bar B bar C bar and D bar. Now let us see the common terms. ಎಲ್ಲದರೊಳಗೇನಿದೆ A bar. So it is A bar is not common. B bar, B bar, B bar, B bar. So B bar is common. B bar plus C bar, C bar, C bar. C bar is common plus D bar is not common. So it is, here we have D bar. So D bar is not common. D is also not common. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ B bar ಇದೆ, B bar, B bar, B bar, C bar, C bar, C bar and C bar. So B bar and C bar is common. So B bar and B bar and C bar is common. So let's write the simplified expression. Simplified expression f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, so let's write all the expression. From pair 1 it is ABC, that is a plus b plus c, and from pair 2 it is pair 2 in the a bar c bar d, that is a bar plus, this is from pair 2 plus d, then from quad 1 it is a plus d bar, then from quad 2 it is b bar plus c bar. So from pair 1 it is ABC, from pair 2 it is a bar and c bar plus d, and from quad 1 it is a plus d bar, and from quad 2 it is b bar plus c. So this is the simplified expression of the above map. So just we will first question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ we have to mark zeros. After marking zeros we need to group them. So we need to group them in pairs, that is group of 2, or we can group them with 4 or a group of 8. And then after grouping you need to put ones in rest of the squares, and then we need to write the expression. Pair 1 we need to write the maximum expression of m0 and m1. In pair 2 we need to write the expression of m10 and m14, and then common terms na tegibeku. So here also quad 1, so quad 1 we are writing as quad means a group of 4 squares. So we are writing 4 squares and their expression, and then we are taking the common terms. So finally we are writing the simplified expression of f of a comma b comma c comma d. Hope you have understood this, and next class we will be discussing few more examples on K-map POS expression. Hope you have understood today's class. Today's class we were able to do only one K-map with 4 variables for POS expression. Hope you have understood today's session, and kindly you also draw the map and you try to make groups, or you can try making your own groups of zeros and ones so that you get a different expression and you can simplify the given expression. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead.